सो हे गाइस, आई एम अभिन्यू कदम एंड यू आर वाचिंग बूस्ट ऑटो एके। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपका बजट है 5 to 6 lakhs और आप सर्च कर रहे हैं बेस्ट गाड़ी अंडर 6 lakh, then this video will clear your doubts and confusion. The first thing is when you walk to the dealer to buy a car, but the on-road cost of the car exceeds your budget. For example, कुछ लोग कहते हैं फोर्ड फिगो 6 lakhs तक आ जाएगी, बट जो प्राइस आप गूगल पे या कहीं पे भी पढ़ते हैं वो एक शोरूम के हिसाब से होती है और उस कार की ऑन रोड प्राइस ज़्यादा होती है। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टॉक अबाउट द कार विच यू विल गेट जेन्युइनली अंडर 6 lakh. On the 7th number we have Renault Kwid. This car comes with two engines, 1000cc and 800cc, with both automatic and manual transmission. The 1000cc engine produces 67 bhp and 800cc engine produces 53 bhp power. It is priced from rupees 2.94 lakhs to 5.07 lakhs. तो अगर आपका बजट 6 lakhs तक है तो आप इस गाड़ी का टॉप वेरिएंट भी खरीद सकते हैं। The feature Kwid get are 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keyless entry, a reverse parking camera, reverse parking sensor, and manual AC. This car comes with standard features like rear parking sensor, driver side airbag with ABS and EBD. इतने सारे फीचर्स होने के बाद भी ये गाड़ी हमारे लिस्ट में 7th नंबर पर है। The reason is this car has got 1 star in global NCAP. This car has no safety. इस गाड़ी की रीसेल वैल्यू भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है। Also the engine is noisy. बट फिर भी अगर यह गाड़ी आप खरीदना चाहते हैं तो मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा 1000cc का इंजन, क्योंकि इसका 800cc के इंजन आपको इतना पिकअप नहीं देगा। So this is one of the recent accident happened with Kwid, and you can see the build quality of this car. Coming to our 6th number, we have Tata Tiago. This car comes with 7 variants, 1.2 liter of powerful engine which produces 86 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. It has both automatic and manual transmission with 5-speed gearbox. It has 1199cc of engine. The features Tiago get are front fog lamps, 15-inch alloy wheels, rear defogger, 7-inch infotainment system, and the best part is it gets 8-speaker sound system by Harman. The safety features this car has dual airbags, rear parking sensor, ABS with EBD. This car also scored 4 star in global NCAP crash test. पर इस गाड़ी का 6 नंबर पर आने का रीज़न ये है कि आपको 6 lakhs के अंदर इसका टॉप वेरिएंट नहीं मिलेगा और साथ में टाटा की रीसेल वैल्यू भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है। ऑल्सो द इंजन इज मोर नॉइजी, बट इफ यू वांट टू ड्राइव अ रफ कार विथ अ गुड बिल्ड क्वालिटी you can try for its XE and XT variant which will come under 6 lakhs. On the 5th number we have Maruti Suzuki Espresso. This car offers petrol and CNG engine and both engines are of 998cc. This car is available in both automatic and manual transmission. This car has a mileage of 21.4 kmpl. The Espresso gets a bunch of features: a digital instrument cluster, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, front power windows and a keyless entry. The safety features this car get are driver side airbag, rear parking sensor, ABS with EBD, speed alert and much more. While the top variant comes with the front passenger airbags. ये गाड़ी टियागो के आगे इसलिए है क्योंकि सुजुकी has the best resale value, स्पेशियस है and the best part is mileage. The engine is smooth. But अगर आप एक रफ गाड़ी चाहते हैं with the best powerful engine, you can again try for Tata Tiago. But Espresso has a smooth gearbox compared to Tata Tiago. Now on the 4th number comes Hyundai Santro, which is available in 4 variants. This car is priced between 4.57 to 6.25 lakhs. Hyundai Santro comes with a BS6 1.1 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine which produces 69 PS and 99 Nm of torque. This car comes with a both automatic and manual transmission with 5-speed gearbox. There is also a CNG version of Sandro with 1.1 liter engine which produces 60 PS of power and 85 Nm of torque. This car also comes with a best-in-class features which includes 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with mirror link, rear parking camera and sensor, and rear AC vents. The safety features Sandro has are a driver airbag and ABS with EBD, and gets dual airbags in Asta variant, which is a top-end variant. So if you think of buying a Hyundai car, then this car will be a best option for you, as इस गाड़ी की resale value भी अच्छी है and the build quality is greater than Suzuki. Now coming towards third number, we are having WagonR, one of the best selling car in India. The WagonR has two petrol engines and one CNG engine. Petrol engine has two variants, one is 998cc. This engine is also in Espresso and Celerio. This car is available in both manual and automatic transmission. WagonR has a mileage of 20.52 kmpl, while the other engine comes with 1197cc. The CNG variant comes with 998cc engine. The features are, it comes with 4 power windows, rear seat headrest, cup holder front, smart 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with 4 powerful speakers. The safety features are ABS, dual airbags, rear parking sensor, keyless entry and much more. This car is so comfortable and spacious with best ground clearance. Now talking about the Grand i10 Nios, this car is one of the best car in hatchback section with best in class features. This car comes with a powerful engine of 1197cc with 1.2 liter of petrol engine which produces 83 PS of power and 114 Nm of torque. This car is available in both automatic and manual transmission. The features Hyundai offers are 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a wireless charger, auto AC with rear AC vents, keyless entry and a height adjustable driver seat. The safety features this car offers are rear parking sensor, dual airbags with ABS and EBD. This car also comes with a 1 CNG engine with 1197cc. Hyundai claims a mileage of 26 kmpl. Hyundai also has a best build quality compared to Maruti Suzuki. Now what brings the car at second place is, जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे हैं कार्स अंडर 6 लाख और Hyundai i10 का टॉप एंड सेकेंड टॉप वेरिएंट की प्राइस अबाव 6 लाख है, तो अगर आपका बजट 6 लाख तक का है देन द मैग्ना वेरिएंट विल बी द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू. Hyundai की रीसेल वैल्यू भी अच्छी है एंड ऑल्सो दिस कार विल नेवर मेक यू फील बोर्ड. Maruti Celerio is on the first number as this car offers 998cc of engine with a mileage up to 30 kmpl. This car is so spacious with large enough boot space of 235 liters. This car comes with both automatic and manual transmission. The petrol engine best suits in city. The engine is peppy. Talking about the interior, this car does not have touchscreen, but the company fitted CD player sounds best with 4 speakers with a Bluetooth connectivity. The safety features this car offers are ABS, dual airbags, rear seat belts, keyless entry. Now why the car is on first? The reason is the car comes with best safety features and the best part is the top variant, that is ZXi, comes under 6 lakhs rupees. अब आप सोच रहे हैं कि इससे ज़्यादा फीचर्स एंड सेफ्टी i10 Nios में है, पर फिर भी why Celerio is on first number? The reason is, जैसे मैंने कहा, i10 Nios top variant cost more than 6 lakhs, but Celerio comes under 6 lakhs. This is the reason why Celerio is on the first number. Also, the resale value and mileage of Celerio is much more than Hyundai. But फिर भी अगर आपका बजट 6 lakhs के ऊपर जा रहा है, then you should really try for Hyundai i10. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And you can ask me anything related to cars in comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.